Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to easily find sum, average, count, maximum and minimum of an array of numbers. So first you have to select the array of numbers for which you want these things, sum, average, etc. Then go to formulas and here in auto sum click on sum. This will give you the sum in the correct field. Then for the next field we want average, so again select this data and go to auto sum and click on average. This will give you average of these three numbers. Then again select these three numbers and go to auto sum and select count numbers. This will give you the count of these three. Then select these and in auto sum select maximum. This will give you the maximum among these three. Again select these three and in auto sum click on minimum. This will give you the minimum among these three. Okay, now you can select this data and drag it down for all the rows. So this will give you the sum, average, count, maximum and minimum of all the entries. So that's on this video. Thank you very much for watching this.